From Asia to Australia too, we'll name each one just for you. Let's go travel, here we start. Learning continents is really smart. Asia is the biggest one, with mountains high and lots of sun. Many people live and play, from China to Japan, hooray! Africa. Africa has deserts wide and animals that run and hide. Lions roar and zebras run. Exploring Africa is fun. North America. North America's full of cheer, with Canada and USA here. From mountains tall to forests deep, it's a land you'll want to keep. South America's full of trees, with rivers flowing in the breeze. The Amazon is wild and wide, with jungle friends on every side. Antarctica is icy cold, with penguins brave and stories told. Snow and ice are all around, it's the chilliest place we found. Europe has castles, books and art, with many countries set apart. History and food to see, from Italy to Germany. Australia's where the kangaroos play, and koalas nap all day. Down under sky so big and blue, say good day, it's fun for you.